Is traveling just exploring new places and clicking pictures? It is something more than that. Today's video is a little close to my heart as I have explored not only different countries but have also experienced the rich culture, food and also made new friends. So how did I manage to explore all at once? It's very simple. I visited the global village Dubai. Global Village is a destination for culture, food, shopping and entertainment from all over the world. There are 27 pavilions which covers over 75 countries of the world. This place is huge and is open only during winters from 4 p.m. to 1 a.m. So come along, let's explore together. Right now we are at the entrance and as you can see there are a lot of installations of the wonders around the world. So the first country we are visiting today is Turkey. We spent a lot of time here as this is the first pavilion. We did a lot of window shopping and also tasted the famous Turkish ice cream and Turkish delight. Pakistan had a wide range of traditional clothing and it was unique. As it grew darker, the place looked even more lively and picturesque. There was also cultural music and dance in between the pavilions. It was so good and we had a great time. Next is India. I was so proud of my country and was so happy to see it. One of the best things about India is the street food, and as expected, this pavilion had a whole street of Indian food. I had my favorite pav bhaji here. Luckily, we could see the parade showcasing different cultures of the world. China had a lot of fancy stuff and clothing. This is the floating market of Thailand. We had some famous mango and coconut ice cream here. South Korea and Japan had the best fashion stalls. The African pavilion was so colorful and the dance was so good. We've been walking from the evening and our legs are hurting really bad. It's very difficult to cover all the pavilions, but we are trying our best. So that's it for this video guys. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram. In the next video we will be visiting Burj Khalifa and Dubai Mall.